But where was she to be found? The Prime Minister ran up one flight of steps, down another, through halls, and through passages, but not one of all the people he met had ever heard of the Nightingale. So he went back to the Emperor and said,
"It must be a fable invented by a man who wrote the book. Your Imperial Majesty must not believe all that is written in books. Much in them is pure invention. But the book in which I have read it was sent me by the high and mighty Emperor of Japan, and therefore it cannot be untrue. I wish to hear the Nightingale. She must be here this evening, and if she does not come, after supper the whole court shall be flogged."
In great alarm, the Prime Minister again ran upstairs and downstairs, through the halls and through passages, and half the court ran with him, for no one liked the idea of being flogged. Many were the questions asked about the wonderful Nightingale, of whom the whole world talked, and about whom no one at court knew anything. At last they met a poor little girl in the kitchen, who said,
"Oh, yes, the Nightingale. I know her very well. Oh, how she can sing! Every evening I carry the fragments left at the table to my poor sick mother. She lives by the seashore, and when I am coming back and stay to rest a little in the woods, I hear the Nightingale sing. It makes the tears come into my eyes."
"Little kitchen maiden, I will get you a good place in the kitchen, and you shall have permission to see the Emperor dine, if you will take us to the Nightingale, for she is expected at court this evening."
So they went together to the wood where the Nightingale was accustomed to sing, and half the court went with them.
Listen, listen, there she sits.
"Is it possible? I should not have thought it. How simple she looks. She must certainly have changed colour at the sight of so many distinguished personages."
Little Nightingale, our gracious Emperor wishes you to sing something to him."
"With the greatest pleasure," said the Nightingale, and she sang so beautifully that everyone was enchanted.
"It sounds like glass bells. And look at her little throat, how it moves. Oh, it is amazing."